Record-breaking heavy snowfall in Hokkaido. The dome of Oukotsk collapsed, power poles fell, and power lines were severely damaged. An unprecedented blizzard and wet snow hit Hokkaido, causing widespread power outages and paralyzing transportation networks, severely impacting people's lives. The dome of Oukotsk in Abashiri, Hokkaido. You can see that the right side of the roof is severely dented. This appears to be due to the weight of the snow. Furthermore, a tree at a shrine has fallen due to the weight of the snow and is now caught in a power line. Fieldcaster Yaji Ryotaro. A tree at a shrine has fallen and is now caught in a power line, creating a dangerous situation. Additionally, in Kushiro, the weight of the snow has knocked down a fence at an elementary school. The first heavy snowstorm of the season hit Hokkaido on December 14, bringing record snowfall for December, especially along the coast of the Sea of Oukotsk and in eastern Hokkaido. Monbetsu City recorded a maximum instantaneous wind speed of 23.4 meters per second, the strongest storm of 2025, and the city was hit by a blizzard. "It's incredible. We're already covered in snow," said a Monbetsu resident. The maximum instantaneous wind speed observed in Hokkaido was 40.5 meters per second in Nakashibetsu City and exceeded 30 meters per second in Nemuro, Abashiri, and Kushiro. Obihiro experienced heavy snowfall last night. "The piles of snow on the side of the road after snow removal were taller than me," said a reporter from Numata Kaisei. Obihiro City received 51 centimeters of snow. Cars trapped in the snow were seen being rescued. Snowfall in 24 hours exceeded 60 centimeters across a wide area of eastern Hokkaido and the Sea of Oukotsk coast, including 72 centimeters in Shirataki and Engaru City, with 9 locations setting December records. A huge snow mountain has formed, large enough to hide a person. "This snow is very heavy because it contains water," said reporter Yukiko Kumasaka. Sapporo also received heavy snowfall, with accumulations reaching 48 centimeters in one spot. Clearing this heavy, wet snow was extremely difficult. "Even if you just lift a little bit, the snow is so heavy that it feels like it's weighing on your waist," said a Sapporo resident. Below is a photo of the JR Nemburo line. The foundations beside the tracks have been severely eroded, likely due to high waves. As a result, all express trains connecting Sapporo and Kushiro were suspended on December 16th. One reason for the widespread damage this time was the accumulation of wet snow. In Betsuke City, Hokkaido, a power pole collapsed from its base. It is believed that snow had accumulated on the power lines, and the heavy snowstorm had increased the weight of the wires, causing the power lines to collapse. Furthermore, damage to power lines is common, especially in eastern Hokkaido. Wet snow has accumulated on the power lines, causing the wires to hang so close that people can reach them, said Fieldcaster Yaji. Power lines have repeatedly broken due to the weight of the snow in various places, causing power outages. At one point,